Carrie singing just beautiful.
Well,
I
thank
love
you
your
very
singing. I
much.
always did. Jimmy Eaton, thanks for coming up, man. So we have the Black Rose Band here tonight because that's the name of the band that Jimmy and that Kerry has. Kerry and the Black Rose Band, and I've been their guitar player for a while. It's feeding back a little. It's okay. We'll deal with it. And anyway, thanks for coming up. We're going to be at the county fair when?
Ventura County Fair, August 2nd and August 6th. And August 2nd is Kids Day, so 12 and under with an adult, paid adult, gets in free. And we're also playing on the 6th, which is Senior Day and Disabilities Day. So anybody with a disability and their caregivers come in free, and anyone with a disability. So that's August 2nd and August 6th is Ventura County Fair, starting at 1 o'clock.
How many years now we've been doing that?
About 15, we have to subtract COVID. So maybe 14.
Well, that's okay. Anyway, we're back. You're up here at Carmine's Country Corner. It's a little hot again, but we're not complaining. I got a good band. I got Greg Fries on piano, and Kerry Caruso is kind of our guest artist, along with her husband Jimmy Eaton, and he's a member of the Wild Country Band for years. And of course, Bob Gotha, who's usually playing guitar, singing, and having a good time. And Paul had to be somewhere today, and Bob said, "I'll play bass." And Bob, you do a great job.
Thank you.
We love having
I
you.
love playing bass.
Well,
When I'm playing bass, I'm at one with the world.
you are
No, really. Even more than guitar, man. When I'm
really
playing,
you.
yeah.
It's a fun instrument, isn't it? Yeah.
Two less chances to
Yeah. Well, you know. And John Palmer, at the last minute, went somewhere with our good friend Eric Brennan. Some big concert popped up or something, and of course, you know, anytime the guys want to take off here, I mean, they can come and go as they please. So I called Lynn Coulter at the last minute, and thank God he was starving for some money. So he's here.
Don't get used to this.
I shouldn't have said that. This guy works all the time. He's a great drummer and a good friend of mine and a good singer, and I want to thank you for coming up,
Oh, glad to be
especially for
here.
the kind of money I pay,
Glad to be here.
which isn't much. Okay, so Kerry, you want to do another one? And then we'll toss it around a little bit.
Yeah, let's do this. Well, this is a Wendy Waldman song,
Okay.
and I liked it, and I added a verse for the Ventura County Fair, so maybe I'll catch that, huh? All right.
What's it called, Carrie?
It's called Come On Down. Come on down to my house. Mama gonna love you all night long. Come on down to my house, and Mama gonna love you all night long. Life is good to those who try. Life is good to those who try. Come on down to my house.
said, come on down to my house. Hey, we're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota's house. Because this is Bob Smith's place. And he was nice enough to open the doors about 2-3 years ago. And he let us in, and we haven't left since. I don't even, you know what? I don't even think he knows we're still here. He doesn't. He's so busy across the street selling cars, running his business. You know, we sneak in here about 4 o'clock Sunday night. We're out of here by 7. He'll know.
Yeah.
He's home right now sleeping or something. Yeah. So don't say anything.
Don't say anything.
Count the money.
Yeah, well, he makes money over there. I'm sure of that. Anyway, Kurt, you want to do one?
Sure, let's do, That's the Way Love Goes, QE.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great song.
I won't play.
That's the way love goes, baby. That's the music I made. The whole wide world to see. Never gets old, it only goes. Losing makes me sorry. Honey, don't you know? Honey, I love you too. That's the way love goes. I've been throwing horseshoes over my left shoulder. I spent nearly all my life looking for that four-leaf clover. Yet you run with me, chasing my rainbow. Honey, I love you too, and that's the way love goes. That's the way love goes, baby. That's the music God made for the whole wide world to see. It never gets old, it only goes. Losing makes me sorry. You say, honey, now don't you worry. Honey, I love you too, and that's the way love goes. That's the way love goes, baby. That's the music God made for the whole wide world to see. It never gets old, it only goes. Losing makes me sorry. You say, honey, now don't you worry. Honey, I love you too, and that's the way love goes.
Good song, well done. That was fun.
Very nice.
Bob, what do you got?
I got a bunch of stuff.
Oh,
Let's do it.
one of 'em.
Let's do a Chuck Berry song. Is that okay?
Ask Chuck, he's
Huh?
not here. You don't have to ask me. That's always okay. Whatever
Okay,
you want.
we're gonna do a Chuck Berry song. It's called Little Queenie.
I love that song.
G. And I come in.
So is that the Chuck Berry beginning?
Yeah, yeah, but it's not so. It's not really fast.
Right.
Depending on the four chord, I'm sort of singing right there. Okay. I can sing happily. Here we go.
Should we take a break?
No.
We don't take breaks around here.
Should we call 911?
Quick, get the duct tape.
We're up here at Carmine's Country Corner. I've got this beautiful new sign. This is the second week we're showcasing this new addition to the backdrop we got going here. My lovely daughter Kim got me that for my 80th birthday party. And and yeah, man, can you believe it? And you know what? It changes colors. Do you have that thing that'll change the colors, Kim?
I'd like to see that.
What's this thing? Look at that. There it is. That's cool. Look at that. I love that green color of money.
I like the green.
I do too. Look at it. These colors. Isn't that great? So that is so much fun. I just love looking at it. But you know, I gotta look at you folks. And Carrie,
Yeah.
what do we got?
Willing and D.
Love that song.
Yeah.
So you're 80, huh?
I'm looking
Yeah.
forward to some
2 weeks ago.
I thought you were much older.
Lynn Coulter said, "So you're 80?" I said, "Yeah." He says, "Yeah, I was at your party." I said, "Yeah, your lovely wife was with you." He said, "Yeah." He said, "You know, we thought you were a lot older."
That was a good one. I love that.
All right, Carrie, what do we got?
What we got?
1, 2, 3.
What's the song?
Willing.
Willing.
Oh, Willin', I love it.
What's your D? D, dog.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right.
Okay.
I've been wandering, driven by the snow. I'm drunk and dirty, but don't you know that I'm still willing? Out on the road late last night, I see my pretty Alice out here getting alive. Alice, Alice.
This old smoke-filled bar, something I'm not used to. I just left my home to keep you satisfied. Stop by, see me anytime you want to. You can always find me here to closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Stop by and see me anytime you want to. 'Cause you can always find me here to closing time. I got everything I'll need to drive you crazy. I got everything I'll need to lose my mind. The atmosphere in here is just right for honey. And thanks to you, I'm always here to closing time. I got swing doors, jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Stop by and see me anytime you want to. You can always find me here for closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Stop by and see me anytime you want to. 'Cause you can always find me here to closing time. You can always find me here to closing time. Thank you, folks. You want to do one more?
Sure. We talked about this one earlier. It's called Third Rate Romance.
Oh, yeah.
The strange chord that's going to come is a B7 to an E minor and then a C. Okay, so here we go.
We're in the key of.
We're in the key of G, George. Here we go. 1, 2. Oh, 1, 2. Feels good, feels good. Sitting at a time
she'll do. Third rate romance, no rate rendezvous. And he said, I'll even tell you that I love you if you want me to. Third rate romance, no rate rendezvous. Great Kurt. When they left the bar, they got in his car and they drove away. They headed for the family inn. She didn't even have to pretend she didn't know what for. And then he went to the desk and he made his request while she waited outside. And he came back with a key. She said, give it to me, or go on, lock the door. And she said, I've never done this kind of thing before. Have you? And he said, yes, I have, but only a time or two. Romance, no red rendezvous. It was a third rate romance, no red rendezvous. And it's all true. It was a third rate romance, no red rendezvous.
Who did that song? Bobby Bear?
Where we, we rehearsed it.
Steelers Kinnison?
Who did that song?
Sam Kinnison.
No.
Sam Kennedy.
No, what's his name?
I don't know who it was.
There was a remake of it.
I thought it was Bobby Bear.
No.
That's an old song, I think.
That's an old song. It was redone in the 90s by,
Oh,
No,
Gilly.
Buxton, no.
Gilly.
no.
Mickey Gilly.
No. No.
Yeah, what, that's
somebody-
Alan Jack, no.
Maybe
Nobody, we
somebody
don't know.
had full-
If anybody knows who did that song in the 90s, let Kim know.
Tin
Write
Box.
something in and she'll
That
mention
double
it.
wide trailer song.
You can have.
Yeah, they did it first. Yeah.
Yes, that's right.
Sammy Kershaw.
That's it.
Yes. Yeah.
Is that who did it in the 90s?
Yeah. He sounds like George Jones.
Yeah.
all right.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we got it straight. They looked it up. Carrie, hit us with another one, and then we're gonna get. We'll have my good friend here, Lynn Cole, to do one maybe.
Okay, how about honky tonk music, Jerry Jeff Walker? Q-Day.
What's the feel of this?
I'll start it and you'll see. Every night I play the places, neon lights and smiling faces. People laugh and talk away the evening while I play. Ask myself, what do I do it? There must be something to it. Get paid for something I'd be doing anyway. Been a lot of men to lie to, and sometimes I even try to. When the night is getting late and the cowboys look so good. Been in bars I did not care for. I ask myself, what was I there for? All in all, I wouldn't change things even if I Every night I play the pieces, neon lights and smiling faces. People smack and talk away the evening while I'm ask myself, what do I do? There must be something to it. Getting paid for something I'm doing anyway. That's the kind That's the kind That's the kind I like to
Hey, this is Carmine's Country Corner. We're a little over halfway through the show. Got about 15 minutes left.
Are we still on?
We're still on, live, right here at Facebook. Hey, push, share, and like, right? Something like that on Facebook? And it's on YouTube also. And yeah, we upload it right after the show. It's there by like 8 o'clock, right, honey?
Yeah, and subscribe on YouTube.
On YouTube, you want to subscribe, and do you share or push anything else, or is that it? Like? Like and subscribe. Please do that. When we get our numbers up, we'll get a lot more viewers. And it's growing, man. My 80th birthday party, man, we get Facebook and YouTube. Did pretty good. So we love doing this for you, and we have a lot of fun doing it, and we're going to keep doing it.
You don't
So,
have enough
that's
wrinkles
it.
to be 80 years old, man.
Well, I got them in places that I can't show you. But anyway, it's okay.
Oh, you ought to see it without the makeup. You ought to see it without the
TMI.
makeup.
It's the Italian in you.
Lynn, can I bother you to do a tune tonight?
Oh, you're kidding me.
Nah, I'm not kidding.
What?
Okay, yeah, we're kidding.
What do you mean, what? Oh, you know what I really like is, that's how I got to Memphis.
Oh, I don't have the lyrics.
You did that song all the
I
time
know,
at Viva Cantina.
I don't have the words.
Okay. Well, do
Yeah.
something you know.
All right, here we go.
All right, Glenn, go.
This is a G. That's not me. That's not me.
Couldn't be. It's okay, folks.
excuse me, and you in listening land and everybody, my G string is 1/2 step sharp or flat, and I didn't realize that because I never play on that string, but it's actually tuned to an F sharp. That's why I was out of tune at
Oh,
first.
what am I doing?
Oh, yeah. Well,
They can edit that.
that's
out.
what happened out.
Well, sometimes these instruments will play tricks on us.
Yes.
I call it getting ambushed.
Okay, there it is. Now it's in tune.
No, you want another solo? We'll give you one. You okay?
What song is this?
Okay, Carrie.
Sorry.
What do we got?
Oh boy.
Let's
We're gonna get letters.
So I want to thank Jimmy for coming up. Jimmy, thank you. You're playing great. You sound good. Hey, and that thing 55555. That's kind of a thing between. That works. I used it last night in the gig I did. You start there and it's really cool.
When the guy who designs the amp
Tells you, yeah.
where the
We bought these steel quilter amps, and it's steel air amps, and I bought one. Jimmy got one before I did, and I just loved it. And so he called the factory, talked to the owner, and said, well, "What's a good way to do this?" And the guy said, "Start with everything on 5, and it's a good tone. But then if you want to, tweak it to what you like, but go from there." And I tried it last night for the first time because I did not know that till you told me, and it works perfectly.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, did a couple of adjustments.
Quilter.
Quilter, good amp,
Great amps.
nice amp, good amp.
Pat Quilter tells you how to set your amp.
Pat's the inventor, I think, of the thing. Yeah, he's a good guy. We met
You
him.
know, that's the guy behind QSC,
Yeah.
the PA speaker.
Oh, it is?
Oh, yeah.
Wow, he does more than I thought he did. Anyway, we're talking, and what do you got there, Carrie?
I was thinking about You're No Good.
Oh, I love that song.
Okay, do you know what?
How about,
It's kind of complicated, Carrie. A lot of sections in that.
Let's get a little cowbell.
I was gonna do that one.
We're not doing it.
That's a really complicated.
If you had a chord chart, then I kind of discourage that here at this show because I just want to get up for the hour and just play stuff we know and have a good time. But if you do have something, the bass player really needs to know what's going on more than even I do.
I'm doing my best right now.
And you're doing great, by the
Doing
way.
great.
It would have been great if we'd ever
But if you
played
had
together
chord
before.
charts, well, but if you had chord charts, then of course that helps us out a lot, even me if I've got something.
You guys
to
know
play.
Mississippi Queen?
Bump. Just listen to what you play.
I think I'm losing control back there with these guys. Everybody straighten out.
Did you ever have?
Oh, you're all fired. Nah, I'm just kidding.
I know angel.
What's the
Got no halo on my head. I ain't no angel. I got no halo on my head. I ain't never killed nobody. I made a few wish they were dead.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and go.
I ain't no angel, got no wings so I can fly.
Little angel.
Thank you, I wrote that.
Swamp funk at its best.
Good job. Bob, you want to take us out with one? Thank you guys for coming up. We're going to do a little something here on the way out. We got about 2-3 minutes left. We're ready to go. I want to thank you all for showing up. We've got a few people sitting up there tonight, so thank you. Kim, good job. Tom, good to have you back. Dr. Teresa, Dr. Kathy, everybody else. What do you got?
Start the car. Start
Little
the
sister.
car. Start the
Little
car.
sister. Here we are,
The
little
regular
sister.
way. Here we go.
Give E.
What song?
Little sister.
Oh, yeah.
One. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you? Makes me want to cry. So you say it's every night, so then you cry. Little sister, don't you do what your big sister done? Well, lady, your big sister, I took her to the show. I went for some candy, long cake and daddy, right out the door. Little sister, little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you? Makes me want to cry. So you say it's very nice, so then you wrong. Little sister, don't you do what your big sister done? Every time I see your sister, she's with somebody new. She's mean and she's evil, but neither time I love with you. Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you? Makes me want to cry. You say it's really nice, but when you're wrong. To your toe. Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you? Makes me want to cry. You say it's got my wrong. Little sister, don't you? Sister, don't you? Sister, don't you? Sister, don't you?
We were off the air by the time.
Well, thanks for coming, folks. See you next week. Kerry, thank you. See you at the Ventura County Fair.
Thank you, Ventura County Fair, August 2nd and 6th.
Come on up, watch the Black Rose Band.
What time do we get there?
1 o'clock.
Sound check it, no, when do we get there?
Do we set up at 1? That's right, it's not up.
Shut up at 12.
Come on.
honorary. Thank you, everybody.
George Green.
Good fun.
I just trying to work my way through it.